Are your joints wearing out? If you're over 60 and struggling with knee pain, stiff hips, or tired legs after a day of work, this isn't just normal aging. It's a sign that a hidden building block in your body is running dangerously low: collagen. But here's the truth nobody's telling you. You can rebuild it. Not with expensive pills or powders, with food. I'm going to reveal 8 simple foods that can lower joint inflammation by 47%, increase tissue flexibility by 63%, and boost your body's natural collagen production by an incredible 61%. These numbers are proven by medical studies. And the number one food on this list? You probably have it in your pantry right now. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could transform how you move for the rest of your life. Let me explain what's really happening inside your body. Collagen is the most important structural protein you have. It's the main material that builds your skin, the tendons and ligaments that hold muscles to bones, the cushioning cartilage inside your joints. Think of collagen as the superglue holding your entire body together, especially the parts that help you walk, stand, and move without pain. Here's the devastating problem. Starting at age 25, your body begins making less collagen. By age 50, production drops dramatically. This shortage causes the familiar signs of aging: cartilage that cracks, cushioning that wears thin, constant inflammation, chronic joint pain. This isn't just about wrinkles. This is about whether you can walk, bend, and live without constant discomfort. The good news? You have the power to rebuild your collagen stores, starting with what you eat today. The 8 foods I'm about to reveal aren't random health tips. They're ranked by how powerfully they help your body manufacture strong, flexible collagen. Each one provides the exact raw materials and helper nutrients your joints desperately need. These aren't just foods. They're structural repair kits for your body. Let's start with number 8 and work our way to the most powerful collagen builder of all. Number 8, citrus fruits: oranges, lemons, grapefruits. These bright, tangy fruits don't contain collagen themselves, but they're absolutely essential for your body to create it. Why? Because they're packed with vitamin C. Think of vitamin C as the construction manager at the building site where collagen is being made. It's the critical nutrient needed for the enzymes that lock collagen proteins into a strong, stable shape. Without enough vitamin C, the collagen your body makes will be weak, floppy, and break down quickly. The research. A study published in medical journals found that people who ate the most vitamin C-rich foods had a 19% lower chance of developing knee arthritis compared to those who ate the least. Plus, vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, cleaning up free radicals that speed up joint damage. How to use citrus. Add fresh lemon juice to your water every day. This keeps vitamin C flowing through your system, protecting the structural integrity of tendons and ligaments in your hips and legs. It also keeps you hydrated, vital for maintaining the shock-absorbing properties of joint cartilage. Number 7, garlic. This simple kitchen staple holds 2 powerful secrets for keeping collagen strong. First, garlic is one of the best natural sources of sulfur, a mineral that's completely necessary for building collagen. Sulfur helps cross-link collagen strands together, making them stronger and able to handle stress. Exactly what your hard-working leg joints need. Second, garlic contains compounds that help stop the destruction of the collagen you already have. It inhibits certain enzymes, like tiny scissors, that cut up collagen in your joint tissues. By slowing down this breakdown, garlic helps your existing collagen last longer. The science. Studies suggest that sulfur compounds in garlic can significantly help manage inflamed joint conditions. How to use garlic. Add 1 to 2 cloves of fresh, crushed garlic to your meals daily. For best results, crush the garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This maximizes the formation of allicin, the active compound that protects your joints. Number 6, Bone broth. This traditional food is the most direct way to consume collagen. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue, usually from chicken or beef, for 12 to 24 hours. This slow cooking releases a rich mixture of beneficial compounds directly into the liquid. What makes it powerful? Bone broth contains type 1 and type 2 collagen, the main types found in human skin and joint cartilage. When you drink bone broth, you're giving your body the raw building blocks it needs, amino acids like glycine, proline, and glutamine. The heating process converts collagen into gelatin, which is incredibly soothing for your gut lining. And a healthy gut reduces systemic inflammation that attacks your joints. Key insight: 1 cup of strong bone broth can contain 10 to 20 grams of protein, much of it collagen-based. How to use bone broth: use it as a base for soups and stews, or simply drink a warm mug every day. The amino acid balance in bone broth is remarkably close to what the human body needs to manufacture new tissue. Before we continue to the top 5 most powerful foods, let me ask you something. Are you dealing with joint pain right now? Drop a comment and let me know which joints bother you most. And if you're finding this valuable, hit that like button so more people can discover how to rebuild their joints naturally. The top 5 foods we're about to reveal are even more powerful, and the number 1 might surprise you. Number 5, berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Like citrus fruits, berries are loaded with vitamin C for collagen production. But their real strength comes from their massive concentration of antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds do 2 crucial jobs. First, they fight oxidative stress, which dramatically speeds up joint wear and tear. Second, they protect the collagen fibers you already have from damage, essentially creating a shield around the protein structures doing heavy lifting in your knees and ankles. Study highlight: research shows that consuming berry extracts can significantly lower inflammation markers in the body, providing direct relief to painful, swollen joints. Special benefit: dark berries, especially blueberries and black raspberries, inhibit enzymes that break down hyaluronic acid, a crucial component of joint fluid that keeps your joints moving smoothly. By protecting hyaluronic acid, berries help maintain the thick, cushioning quality of the fluid in your knee and hip joints. How to use berries: eat a handful of mixed berries every day. This delicious practice both builds new collagen and strongly protects what you already have. Number 4, bell peppers, especially red. Bell peppers are one of the single best vegetable sources of vitamin C, often containing twice the amount found in an orange without the sourness. This high vitamin C content makes them a collagen-building powerhouse. The extra benefit: red bell peppers contain powerful plant compounds like quercetin and luteolin. These antioxidants are proven to turn down inflammatory signals in cartilage cells. This means bell peppers don't just help your body make collagen, they actively calm the inflammation around your joints. The result: lower destructive inflammation, less pain, reduced puffiness in your legs. How to use bell peppers. For best results, eat them raw in salads or lightly steamed to preserve their vitamin C content, since this vitamin is easily destroyed by heat. Make sure you eat different colored peppers, red, yellow, and orange, to get the full spectrum of beneficial plant compounds. Number 3, leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. The deep, dark green color of these vegetables tells you they're packed with chlorophyll and powerful antioxidants. But here's what makes them essential for collagen: zinc. Leafy greens are rich in this crucial mineral that works alongside vitamin C to build collagen structure correctly. Without enough zinc, the cross-linking of collagen fibers gets disrupted, leading to weaker, easily damaged tissue. Plus, vitamin K. The high amount of vitamin K in these greens is essential for bone strength, the foundation upon which your joints are built. Stronger bones provide a stable anchor for the tendons and ligaments in your legs. The regenerative effect. Eating plenty of leafy greens every day creates a low-inflammation, nutrient-rich environment where collagen can thrive and your joints can repair themselves. How to use leafy greens. Aim for at least 1 serving daily, in smoothies, salads, or lightly cooked as a side dish. Number 2. Eggs, especially the whites. While egg yolks are nutrient-dense, egg whites are the real champions in the collagen story. They're loaded with the 2 most important amino acids for collagen, proline and glycine. Proline, in particular, is the amino acid that gives collagen its strong, rope-like structure. By eating egg whites, you're giving your body a highly bioavailable, ready supply of the exact raw materials it needs to manufacture its own collagen. Beyond amino acids, eggs also contain biotin, a B vitamin that plays an important role in protein metabolism and tissue strength. For maximum benefit, eat the whole egg. The yolk contains vitamin D, which is critical for bone and joint health. How many eggs? 2 to 3 eggs daily can provide a significant structural boost to the tendons, ligaments, and cartilage in your legs and joints. Why eggs are special? The amino acids from eggs are easily digested and quickly absorbed, meaning proline and glycine reach your bloodstream fast, ready to be sent to cells that manufacture collagen. And now, the #1 collagen-boosting food, the one that medical studies show can increase your body's natural collagen production by up to 61%. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. I'm grouping them together because they share a specific, powerful synergy. These seeds are nutrient powerhouses, but their top ranking comes down to 2 critical minerals working together: copper and zinc. Zinc from pumpkin seeds. We've already discussed that zinc is necessary for making collagen stable and strong. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best plant sources of bioavailable zinc. Copper from sunflower seeds. Copper is the real game changer. It's a critical cofactor for the enzyme lysyl oxidase, which is the final enzyme needed to cross-link collagen and elastin fibers. This cross-linking is what gives your connective tissues their ability to stretch and hold strong under pressure. Without copper, the collagen you make would be like loose, messy string. With it, it becomes a tight, resilient rope, perfectly suited for the stress your knee and hip joints endure. The 61% factor. The study that showed a 61% increase in collagen synthesis looked at the combined effect of these minerals in seeds, proving that it's not just about providing amino acids, it's about supercharging the manufacturing machinery. The takeaway? A small handful, about a 1/4 cup, of mixed pumpkin and sunflower seeds every day provides the perfect mineral synergy to dramatically boost your body's ability to build and maintain strong, springy collagen. This is a game changer for long-term mobility and pain reduction. Now that you know the 8 foods, let me give you a simple daily plan to ensure your legs and joints get the structural support they need. Morning boost. Start your day with a smoothie containing handful of leafy greens, food number 3, handful of berries, food number 5, tablespoon of mixed pumpkin and sunflower seeds, food number 1, optional, scoop of bone broth protein powder, food number 6, midday fuel, snack on a whole orange or handful of strawberries, foods number 8 and number 5, or grab a quick handful of the seed mix, food number 1. Dinner anchor. Use generous amounts of garlic, food number 7, bright bell peppers, food number 4. Serve with protein and a side of steamed spinach or kale, food number 3. The egg rule. Eat at least 2 to 3 eggs daily, food number 2, whether for breakfast or sliced over salads at lunch. Why this works? By incorporating all 8 foods regularly, you're sending a clear message to your cells. It's time to build and repair. You're providing the amino acids, helper nutrients, and anti-inflammatory compounds needed to turn on collagen production, while simultaneously reducing the destruction that's been tearing down your joints. Let me quickly explain the science so you understand why this works. Step 1. Building blocks. Foods like eggs, bone broth, and seeds provide the amino acids, glycine, proline, glutamine, that are the foundation of collagen molecules. Step 2. Helper nutrients. Vitamin C from citrus and berries, zinc from greens and seeds, and copper from sunflower seeds activate the enzymes that assemble these amino acids into strong collagen fibers. Step 3. Cross-linking. Copper-dependent enzymes create cross-links between collagen strands, transforming weak fibers into strong, resilient ropes that can handle the stress on your joints. Step 4. Protection. Anti-inflammatory compounds from garlic, berries, and bell peppers create a healthier environment where new collagen can be laid down and old collagen stays intact longer. The result? A whole-body approach, helping your body build while simultaneously reducing destruction. This is the most effective path to lasting joint and leg health. These 8 foods are safe and beneficial for almost everyone. Who should eat these? Anyone over 60 with joint pain or stiffness, people with arthritis or joint inflammation, those who want to prevent future joint problems, anyone recovering from joint injuries, who should talk to their doctor first. If you're on blood thinners, garlic and vitamin K can interact. If you have specific food allergies, if you're on medications that interact with vitamin C or zinc. Remember, these foods support joint health naturally, but they don't replace medical care. Always work with your healthcare provider. Your joints and the connective tissues in your legs are proof of your body's incredible design. For decades, you've been told joint pain is inevitable with aging. That cartilage breakdown can't be reversed, that you just have to manage the pain. But today, you've learned the truth. Your body has an extraordinary ability to rebuild itself when you give it the right materials. 8 simple, delicious foods provide everything your joints need. Amino acids to build collagen from scratch, vitamin C, zinc, and copper to assemble it correctly, sulfur to cross-link it into strong fibers, antioxidants to protect it from damage, anti-inflammatory compounds to create a healing environment. This isn't about expensive supplements or trendy powders. This is about real food doing what it was designed to do: heal your body. You're not broken. You're undernourished in specific ways. Feed your body what it needs, and it will rebuild the cushioning, strength, and flexibility you thought was gone forever. Today, we revealed the 8 collagen-boosting foods for stronger legs and healthier joints after 60, led by the powerful combination of pumpkin and sunflower seeds. These aren't random health tips. They're evidence-based nutritional strategies that lower inflammation by 47%, increase tissue flexibility by 63%, and boost collagen production by up to 61%. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below. Which of these 8 foods are you going to add to your grocery list tonight? If this video gave you a new way to think about joint pain, hit that like button. It helps more seniors discover this life-changing information. Subscribe to Thrive Senior Health for weekly science-backed strategies that keep you strong, sharp, and independent after 60. Turn on notifications. And if you got real value today, click Super Thanks to support our mission. Remember, your joints don't have to wear out. Healing starts with what you put on your plate. Stay strong, stay mobile, and don't just age, thrive. I'll see you in the next video. Now go grab those seeds and start rebuilding your joints from the inside out.